Alright, what is going on everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys is we're going to be discussing how you guys could cop the MANIERE Jordan 4s. Now, one of the main entries has already closed, but it is not the place where the most stock will be dropped. I want you all to just keep that in mind. There will still be a lot of places where these are dropping. There's still a sneakers release, I believe, planned for this. There's a big online drop, some raffles. So, we'll begin to discussing all that in this video. So, I hope y'all will enjoy. Again, you want more content like this, check my Instagrams down below. Feel free to give me a follow. I post stuff in my stories sometimes. I haven't posted an actual post on there in a while, but I still am active on there for anybody asking. And if you want to go join my group, feel free. Again, you can get in the wait list. We will not charge you unless we let you in, so keep that in mind. But everything we offer right here, including people that will be running bots for this MANIERE drop when it happens, the online launch and release, hey, we'll have some people doing that. So if you're interested in it, feel free to let me know. And also, we'll have a manual guide, ton of other things, drop pings, and a ton of other stuff. I mean, we've had stuff added since, this website, but so we do need to update a little bit, like a Nike back-end monitor, so you can cop those small restocks, things like that. But that's it. All I need to say. Hope y'all will enjoy. Give us a follow below if y'all want to. It's all in the description and in a pinned comment. And let's get started. So when you actually go look at the sneaker release right now, what was posted on MANIERE's Instagram originally, excuse me, right there, you guys can see you could have done a video submission entry today and yesterday, basically speaking on some issues that are important to you right now, at them or a local representative, and then use their hashtag. That was one of the main methods of entry. Now, I don't feel like there was too much stock with this entry, but I could be wrong. It just really depends on how many people would submit that video, because there's still a sneakers release, apparently with 110,000 pairs coming down the line. That'll be my chance really for a personal pair right there, and I'm glad that that's happening, because that will drop the market a little bit, and I will be able to get a personal. If it isn't above like 350, then I will buy a pair, but if it's above like 350, then I'm going to be like, man, I don't know if it's fully worth it. But it is a nice Jordan 4. It's just, for one pair, it's like, you can get a couple at that price. It kind of, makes you think at least. But aside from all those basic points, one of the main spots again where this one is currently dropping, and aside from again all the raffles that are going on, we will discuss later in this video. A lot of people, again, you can see, are not happy about the video entry. They're saying it's too much, social anxiety, Jordan 4 politics, worst release idea ever, gotta write a research paper to win a pair of shoes. That's crazy. I agree with the comments. I mean, again, you shouldn't really be involving politics in a sneaker release. I do understand the timing of it, and with all the global issues and everything going on right now, it is kind of a unique method of release, and it is not the only method of release. That's what people need to understand. There's still an online drop with a great chance for manual users based off how past MANIERE drops have done with the domain change. It usually goes good, so that's just something I thought I'd mention, but not with really everything I'm discussing right here. It's just, again, don't forget about that. And also, if there is a sneakers drop, then you don't even have to stress the first release too much. There's still another chance, and then prices will drop once people, if there's 100,000 pairs that drop on sneakers, which in reality it probably wouldn't be that many pairs, it's probably cap. Let's just be honest and real here. If they drop that many pairs, I'd be very surprised. They'll probably be in like reality like 50,000, 60,000 we would really see though. But still, if there was a good amount of dubs, that would be nice to see on the app if that drop does happen. From what I've seen, some other pages have been posting it, so it should be happening, and hopefully it will, because I want a personal pair, and if I get hit for retail, even better. That would make my day, because yeah, it's a really clean pair of shoes. Excuse me, I don't know what I just said right there. That was very confusing. You can see the unique tongue tag with their logo on it. Also some other small details. Just the colorway overall hits very well. It seems like the pictures have, made the sneaker. It's helped me see that the shoe is nicer in hand than I thought. And also you got the unique Nike Air logo, all that in the back. So it's just a nice, the nice small details you see in a shoe, are always good to see. And again, I agree with the comment sections. Maybe I'll send in my freestyle instead. I mean, it seems like it's already closed, so I can't do that, but yeah, again, I don't know why they decided to drop it like this. They should have just done in-store, but I guess their choice. And again, some of the other raffle locations, these would be the places that normally do like in-store raffle entries, MANIERE, social status, APB, like they're in-store locations for all these places. They usually do the online raffle too. Why are they not doing the in-store raffle this time? It's a more hyped release, and they're doing this just kind of like online, like share this type release. It just seems like it's a massive backdoor. And I'm not trying to say that because it's like involving politics. I'm just saying because it's like completely different than they've done for all these other drops, and this one's way more hype than the other ones, and now this one's a different method of release when it didn't need to be. Nothing needed to change. Nothing needed to change, and they changed it. So it makes me ask questions like, why change something that's already good? I don't know. I don't, again, I'm not trying to like start anything. I'm just saying like they could have just dropped in-store for this. Like MANIERE has in-store locations in places like Atlanta, different stuff like that. why not do in-store raffle entries if you have in-store locations? Like, it doesn't that defeat the purpose of your store almost? Like, aren't you a sneaker store? Shouldn't you be doing that? I don't know why they did that. Maybe it was them trying to eliminate the backdoor. Like, they saw there was a lot of in-store raffle entries that were being backdoored, so they were like, hey, you know, we got to cut this out. But I still saw a ton of backdoors for the MANIERE Force already, so I know that's not the case, and I know that's not one of the main locations where it's coming from. So again, I would have liked to seen some in stores because that would have guaranteed me a personal pretty much, you know, just enter, but hey, it is what it is, I guess. They've decided to do it completely different. And just to mention it, manual users will still have chances. Don't forget, use Chrome autofill, make an account on MANIERE, you know, have your information saved. You really don't need to do all that. The main thing is really just having, like, you know, go here in Chrome and preferences, save your basic information like payment method, addresses, so you can kind of just, again, autofill that, or again, have something like Chrome autofill so you can just have all that saved there. I personally find the Google one very easy to use, but Chrome is also really nice and it just kind of works very fast. But it's up to you. And once you decide to do, autofill is really best for a release like this one, with most likely a domain change happening on the MANIERE website. So that's all I really need to say. This isn't a full how-to cop guide. I mean, it's somewhat a how-to cop video, I guess you could say that, but overall it's just more or less like a discussion about the sneaker. I mean, if we want to go into the full details of how, I will do another video discussing like a how-to cop on this shoe, I guess. Maybe I'll title this one that, we'll kind of see, but that's pretty much all the places where you'll be able to get this one. And when it comes to copying on the manual site, I guess closer to drop date, I will be able to, you know, make a video on that. So we'll kind of see. I don't think I'll title this how to cop. So if you want to check my group down below, any of that, have people run bots for you, you know, again, get more information about this release, learn how, you know, get familiar with autofill, different payment methods, stuff like that. We can show you all the basics with that. So again, check us out down below. Go give us a follow if y'all want to, and join our waitlist. We will not charge you unless we let you in. You can see everything we offer here. You want to cop this small Nike app restocks, daily deals. Again, don't forget, I didn't even mention that in this video. We do daily deals. I drop under market pairs and items every single day in the group. So if you're interested in making some profit off that, you always can. So that's all that needs to be said. Check us out, and I'm ending the screen recording. So I'm Tristan. Thank you guys, and hopefully I will catch you all in the next video soon. If you have any questions, ask them down below, and I will get to them. I'm T, and see y'all then. Peace.